In today's video, I'm going to teach you to create a Humana account. By the end, you'll have your login set up and be ready to manage your health coverage online, all in just a few clear steps. First, head to the Humana sign-in page in your web browser. Type the address directly into the address bar rather than clicking random search results, and make sure you see the secure padlock icon next to the URL. This helps confirm you're on the official site and that your information will be protected. On the sign-in page, look for the option labeled Create My Username and Password. This is designed specifically for first-time users. Go ahead and select that link to start the setup process. If you already have login details from a previous visit, you can sign in normally, but for a brand new account, this Create option is the right path. Next, you'll be asked to choose your role. Select the option that applies to you, such as member. This ensures the system asks for the correct information for verification and sets up your access to the right tools and benefits. After selecting your role, you'll verify your identity. Enter your member ID, your date of birth, and your zip code. Your member ID is typically found on your Humana card, and your zip code should match what's on file with your plan. Take your time here, carefully type each detail, and double-check for typos or formatting issues. If something doesn't match, the system may not be able to confirm your identity, so accuracy matters. Once you're verified, you'll create your username and password and set a security question. Pick a username that's easy for you to remember but doesn't include sensitive details. For your password, choose something strong, a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. When selecting a security question, pick one where the answer is memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Consider using an answer format you'll remember consistently, such as capitalization or a specific phrase, and think about storing your credentials in a secure password manager. Finally, review everything you've entered. Make sure your information, username, and security settings look correct. If prompted, review any terms and conditions, then complete the setup by submitting the form. You should see a confirmation on the screen letting you know the account is ready. And that's it. Your Humana account is now ready to use. You can sign in right away to manage your coverage, view benefits, and access resources whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and great job getting set up.